Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing Vont LED nightlight. Now this is going to be the last video I do of something small like this. Kind of like each month, if it's a small product, I will be doing a review or a major unboxing haul. But I'm not going to be doing separate small videos for stuff basically that I won't use for a while or something like that. Like if it's necessary, I'll use it, but yeah. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do because they don't get any views and there's no point of posting it if it gets no views. So these are LED nightlight, like I said, by Vont. Very nice company. They also said they were going to be doing a sponsored video as well, so to go check them out. Are the specifications? So it says these are a 4-piece. They're about 0.5 watt max power consumption, and it's a cool white at 5 to 6500 Kelvin. Let's get into it. Vont VIP Club. Alright, so it just says register for lifetime warranties, and there's 6 of them. Wow. Alright, so let's take a look at one of them right here. You have a sensor, I believe, probably for day and night cycle. The little light, 5 watt max, so that's pretty cool. Build quality is actually pretty good. Like I said, there's 6 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and box each one of them. Here are all 6. So we're going to go ahead and plug one of them in right now and show you guys. But I believe, yeah, since this is a cool white, it's going to be good for basically everything since it's not a warm light. This is more for like hallways and stuff when you're going around the house. Test it out right now. Alright, this is what it looks like. So that's basically when it's nighttime. It looks really good. I like it. Obviously it'll cycle, so it's less power consumption and it's really good. Overall, these are really good for if you just moved into a new house and you need something to basically light it up at the night time. These definitely help. It's one outlet per thing and it shouldn't take up much of it if you put it at the bottom. Like I said, good for hallways. So yeah, I don't recommend outside just because. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next one. Oh wait, and I was gonna say, I'm gonna be doing small videos like this. It's better for the company if I just make them like a big haul video. If I don't think the video is gonna do very well, which this video will not do good at all, I know for a fact it won't get more than 100 views. It's not really beneficial to me or the company. So I'm gonna be doing big haul for videos that I don't think will be successful, and for the videos that I know that will be successful or I feel like I want to do its own topic, then I will make a separate video. Starting after this video, I'll be doing it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.